Different trade unions and labor organizations are expected to present their suggestions on the national minimum wage at public hearings. The minimum wage aims to improve wages for the lowest paid workers, reduce income inequality, alleviate poverty, and achieve a decent standard of living for all. Currently, Namibia has a set minimum wage for the construction, domestic, agriculture and security sectors.
The quality of work of any commission is dependent on the inputs that commission receives through public hearing, through written submission, of course through expert input. Please don't blame the commission if it comes up with a sloppy work because it has received inputs that are of low standard, that are not substantive. Therefore, we call upon everyone in this country to contribute to the work of this commission.
The Metal and Allied Namibian Workers Union, in contributing to the discussion, says despite its advantages, a minimum wage also has its cons which need to be considered, including a possible increase in unemployment, considering some employers may decide to dismiss some workers in order to comply with the minimum wage.
The disadvantages will be lack of enforcement to compel employers to comply with the minimum wage law, to create unemployment. In some employers will dismiss because of assumptions that the national minimum wage might be introduced is unaffordable. Or some employers will dismiss employees and re-employ them for compensation of the minimum wage only. Employers will be refusing to bargain for better wages, and the condition will only stick to the minimum wage only.
The ministry is expected to investigate all relevant industries and make recommendations to the minister on the proposed national minimum wage, which will apply to all employees except those exempted by the minister in a wage order. The public hearing will be held in most, if not all, countries' regions. Selima Henok, NBC News, Windhoek.